Omkar loves a lot of things. First of all, he loves sitting, and and he Omkar is an avid reader, and I've had the pleasure of being associated with him in many of our activities. And Omkar actually is helping us make the questions for this year's QED, which happens in November. He's He's taken his first guided heritage walk. He's guided a heritage walk of South Bombay recently. He plays Scrabble and has a lot of interests. He has a good blog where he reviews films and posts articles. So Omkar, he is an ENT specialist, and his first set of questions is therefore on ENT. Timer, please. SIGN sign guidelines tell us that at least 5 episodes of clinically significant infection should justify surgery. Which surgery?
Tonsillectomy.
Correct. Sore throat is more commonly viral than bacterial. GABHS is the most common bacterial cause of sore throat. What does GABHS stand for?
Beta hemolytic streptococci.
I'll not give it to you.
Okay.
Overuse of nasal decongestants like xylometazoline can cause rebound nasal congestion. What is this paroxysmal rhinitis medically called?
Rhinitis medicamentosa.
Correct. An infant presents with coughing, choking and cyanosis during feeding. This classic triad suggests what pathology? Name a drug used both in cardiology and nephrology that can cause bilateral sensory hearing loss in high doses.
Streptomycin.
Incorrect. A patient presents with recurrent painless swelling of the side of his face occurring at meal times and resolving within 3 hours. What is the likely diagnosis?
Parotid duct stone.
Parotid duct?
Stone.
Correct. Salt restriction and chlorthalidone may benefit symptoms of which idiopathic ENT disease? Salt restriction and chlorthalidone.
Meniere's disease.
Correct. A patient with chronic rhinitis and nasal polyps is sometimes instructed to go in the namas position to do what?
Nasal douching.
Is correct. In a patient with lower motor neuron facial palsy, one should look for a rash. In which area?
Retroauricular area.
Incorrect.
Okay.
What is the earliest age at which hearing can be tested in a child? Earliest age at which hearing can be tested in a child?
Newborn.
Correct. A 35-year-old British white woman teaching in a Mumbai school presents with decreased hearing and tinnitus that was worse during her pregnancy. Her mother is partially deaf too.
Otosclerosis.
Correct. Which ENT symptom has been recently found to precede typical neurological manifestations of both Alzheimer's and Parkinsonism?
Tinnitus.
Incorrect. Which antifungal drug used in a 250 milligram OD dose can cause taste disturbance or dysgeusia, which can last up to 3 years?
So,
Which antifungal drug used in a dose of 250 milligram OD?
fluconazole.
Incorrect. In which tuning fork test can the tuning fork can also be placed on the teeth or dentures of the patient?
The Weber's test.
Incorrect. What piece of medical equipment may be useful in both enuresis and epistaxis?
Pass.
Past question. Give me. An infant presents with coughing, choking and cyanosis during feeding. This clinical triad suggests what pathology?
Esophageal web.
Incorrect. May we have this course, please? TO fistula is correct. 7 out of 15. A big hand for Omkar, please. The correct answers: GABHS stands for Group A beta hemolytic streptococcus. Tracheoesophageal fistula is the triad of coughing, choking and cyanosis in infant while feeding. The drug that causes sensory hearing loss in both cardiology and nephrology is furosemide, Lasix. A patient presents with recurrent painless, he said that. Namas position, maybe you did not get the answer. Namas position is used to instill nasal drops. He got it correct, but I'm just saying they may not have heard. Douching, I'll accept that nasal douching because basically similar. In a patient with lower motor neuron palsy, it's not retroauricular, it is in the pinna, inside the pinna. And the ENT symptom which precedes Alzheimer's and Parkinsonism, recently discovered, is the decreased sense of smell, which can precede by years the onset of Parkinsonism and Alzheimer's. Terbinafine is the 250 milligram OD fungal drug, which can cause taste disturbance up to 3 years. The Rennes and Weber's test, the Rennes is done here on the mastoid, and instead of the mastoid you can use the tooth or the denture for direct bone connection or bone thing. Weber's, of course.
The Weber's is correct.
In Rennes you first go to the ear, then go to the mastoid. In Weber's you go here. You have to be in the midline. You can't be on a denture or tooth on one side.
Yes, sir.
If you are right, if you know that, I'll give it to you.
Sir, we routinely perform Weber's on the teeth.
One more point. This is then my mistake.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely my mistake. Rennes is Weber's is correct. So 14. That was 14. I need the score, please. 8 out of 15, and
Thank you.
we go on to your second set. Omkar second set, as you know, is a random roulette. The timer, please. Omkar, don't be too close to the mic. It kind of hisses. 95% cases of chronic urticaria are idiopathic, making allergy testing practically useless in urticaria. True or false?
True.
Correct. Ciprofloxacin can increase the blood levels of which one of these two? Salbutamol or theophylline?
Theophylline.
Correct. Which vitamin must be given to patients receiving methotrexate so as to avoid megaloblastic anemia?
Pyridoxine.
Incorrect. People whose staple diet is polished rice may become deficient in which vitamin?
Vitamin B1.
Is correct. Bupropion and varenicline are pharmacologic options for what? Bupropion and varenicline.
Pass.
In a girl with PCOS, what is the clinically observable sign of androgen excess?
Increased hirsutism.
Correct. In patients with recurrent staphylococcal skin infection, which topical antibiotic is used in nostrils to decolonize Staph aureus?
Neomycin.
Incorrect. What is the maximum age in years at which the whole cell full dose DTP vaccine can be given? Maximum age. Whole cell.
5 years.
Incorrect. The CURB 65 score is a useful OPD aid in deciding whether a patient requires hospitalization for which disease?
The curve.
CURB 65. CURB 65.
Pass.
Which drug used for anaerobic infections may cause a disulfiram-like reaction if alcohol is concomitantly consumed?
Tinidazole.
Is correct. Frequent kneeling may cause swelling over the patella. What is the commoner term for this pre-patellar bursitis?
Frequent kneeling.
Kneeling.
What is the?
Common cause for pre-patellar bursitis.
Pass.
Carbamazepine is used in trigeminal neuralgia but requires monitoring of CBC. Which derivative of carbamazepine does not need this monitoring?
Oxcarbazepine.
Correct. This is a true or false question. Ankle joints, being weight bearing joints, are prone to osteoarthritis. True or false?
False.
Correct. Taste buds can distinguish salty, sweet, bitter and sour. Which is the fifth taste?
Astringent.
Incorrect. Which ENT symptom may cause a syncopal episode?
Which?
ENT symptom may cause a syncopal episode. Pass.
Vertigo.
Incorrect. Bupropion and varenicline are pharmacological options for what? Your past question. Bupropion and varenicline.
Pass.
The CURB 65 score is a useful OPD aid in deciding whether a patient requires hospitalization. In which disease is the score used? Pass. Your total is 15. A big hand for. I'll give you the correct answers of the second set. The vitamin that is used with methotrexate is folic acid. The bupropion and varenicline are used in smoking cessation. The nasal intranasal local antibiotic used to decolonize staph was mupirocin. 7 years is the maximum age where you can give the whole cell DPT. Curb 65 is used for pneumonia. Anaerobic infection, he said tiantrozole is correct. Housemaid's knee is the frequent kneeling knee. And the last taste is umami is correct. Umami, U-M-A-M-I, umami is the taste. Sorry? Umami is the name of a taste. The fifth taste is called umami. What is the taste like? Yeah, Maggie. Maggie is the example one given there.
Device which can be used in enuresis and epistaxis.
Enuresis and epistaxis, the device, anybody? Foley's catheter. Foley's catheter can be used to stop epistaxis, and of course enuresis is incontinence, and you can use it there. Syncopal episode, ENT symptom, anybody? Cough. Cough syncope is a known form of syncope.